Okay, I have been asked how I did this drawing, how I put the glitches and all the weird stuff in it. As you can see, it's all messy with glitches and different shapes and colors. So I'm going to make a short video about it. So, as you can see, I have a lot of layers in here. It's not something really hard to do, like you can do it easy. So this is our little conic, he's going to be our little subject. We have our drawing here. Let me shrink him down a little bit. We have him, so we add a new layer and just put random like neon like colors on our drawing around it or as a background. Just put it everywhere. Okay, we have some colors and stuff, so play with this. I forgot how it is called, but yeah, you will see like different stuff and all. And you find something that will look nice and cool for you. For me, it is going to be great for a background, so I'm going to just make it bigger so it can fit. And we have our background. You see, it has a nice weird texture to it, but if we want to add more, we do this. We add different textures. I have a folder full of different free textures, so just search the web for some free ones and put them on the page, adjust them and just play with the layers and stuff. That's how I do it. And now we have different textures on the drawing in the background and on the conic. So basically you just do simple or complicated shapes. For example, I will start drawing something like this. We have a different weird shape, so now we can just play with the filters like this, like make it more pixely. You can do stuff with it, whatever you want basically. You can change colors. I don't know, I just put random stuff and it works. Size it up and then play with the layers. You find something that looks alright, then you take your conic here, press this, duplicate 4 of them, do 4 of them, don't hide. Now blue channel only, and you see you have like a glitchy effect. You put it however you want. Now here we leave only green, we move it again. Now here red is going to be the last one, so yeah. And now we have a glitch effect. You can put the normal layer and just put it on top, play with the layers and stuff, and now you have something weird here. You see, you can do whatever you want basically. You just need to play with the layers. You can adjust them however you want, make different things, put other textures on it. For example, maybe this. Drop it here, put it on top or in between the layers and just do stuff with it. That's how I do it. Oh, this looks cool actually. This looks alright. So basically I do this. I play with layers and stuff and textures and weird doodles of mine, so that's how you do it.